Hey everyone, experiencing no sound in Mobile Legends Bang Bang? Don't worry, I will guide you through some quick and easy fixes to get your game sound back on Android. First, check your device volume. Make sure both the media volume and game volume are turned up. Sometimes devices mute certain apps, so ensure no mute or silent mode is enabled. Next, head to the settings in Mobile Legends. Go to sound and confirm that volume is turned on and all the sound options like music, sound effects, and voice chat are enabled and set to a proper volume. If that doesn't work, restart the game. Close the app from the background and reopen it. Also, try restarting your phone to clear any temporary glitches. Another thing is to check is your phone's audio output. If you recently connected to a Bluetooth device, ensure the sound is not still routing to those speakers or headphones. Disconnect and try again. Also, clear the Mobile Legends cache. Go to settings, then apps, and manage apps or depending on your phone model. Then find Mobile Legends game from the list. Then storage, then clear cache. This won't delete your game data but may solve the problem. If the sound is still missing, ensure your game and device are updated to the latest version. Updates often fix bugs like this. And finally, if nothing works, consider reinstalling Mobile Legends. Just uninstall the game, restart your phone, and reinstall it from the Play Store. That's it. Your game sound should be back now. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips. See you in the land of Dar.